Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to send money from your UK account to US Venmo. This is a great option if you have friends or family in the US, or if you need to make a payment to a US-based business. Before we get started, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before making any decisions. Step 1. Sign up for Venmo. If you don't already have a Venmo account, you'll need to create one. This is a free service that you can sign up for using your email address or phone number. Step 2. Link your UK bank account. Once you have a Venmo account, you'll need to link your UK bank account. This will allow you to transfer money from your UK account to your Venmo account. Step 3. Add a US bank account. Next, you'll need to add a US bank account to your Venmo account. This will allow you to transfer money from your Venmo account to a US bank account. Step 4. Send money. Now that you have everything set up, you can send money from your UK account to US Venmo. Here's how. Log into your Venmo app. Tap on the Send button. Enter the amount of money you want to send. Select the US bank account you want to send the money to. Tap on the Send button. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Once you've sent the money, you'll need to confirm the transaction. This will be done by entering a code that will be sent to your phone number. Step 6. Wait for the money to arrive. It can take up to 3 business days for the money to arrive in the US bank account. That's all there is to it. Sending money from your UK account to US Venmo is a quick and easy process. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Here are some additional tips for sending money from a UK account to US Venmo. Make sure that you have enough money in your UK bank account to cover the transaction. Be aware of the exchange rate when sending money internationally. There may be fees associated with sending money internationally. Be sure to double-check all of the information you enter before sending money. I hope this helps.